Humanity Institute Ngoi Upungpe King Kong Shi Kong Ning January Bromaliash Ni Ante Wumpo Mungdan Gata Shingim Street Stang Te Ting Supai Shanglot Tai Tera Rapra Ai Tera Malang Ai Upung Pom Pinwai Wanam Tu Yongstong Stanet Pom Tandai Upung Henry.
The first time when we listen, don't do anything, just listen for this one.
Yash coming on the Komongre. I won the School of Arts and Science. Shingim Sate Pungtang Pachi Chong
Let me see. It's 600 pounds.
Okay, and what about that one?
That one is 550 pounds.
Thanks, I'll think about it.
By Chongpe Anthony, King Kong Shimuli September Kunchko Yashlida, Certificate of Social Science Mue, Tene, Become Nan Totsipana. That the Nigo Anthony, Lumang was soon Termini Lomari. Ego, Post Matriculation Program Mary, by Nashi Anthony, Certificate in Social Sciences Mary, for the Pang Pre-Collegiate Diploma Program Mue, Taksu, Maikane Taksum Tut Nanyam to, and then there were Kenachang, Lamang Emipe and a Yak Lomari.
Hello, my name is Augustine and my Kachin name is Sudrion. What I like about this school is it's not like a government school. In government schools, we are limited to do everything. In here, it's not like that.
Đây trong ngõ lũ na cứu khăm lá rồi nó lọ lại tại pha cái đây trong ngõ cái nào như sản phẩm còn thành ta trồng cái sản cá na những cái phát triển khả năng là chỉ có lại cái mà lũ khá giá làm cho trồng sản những cái sản phát triển lúa cái lũ khá giá làm cho cái nó tụi phải cứu vào ngày trồng.
School of Arts and Science ko US, UK, Japan, Singapore, Mongtan Zonde, Mongtan Gaba ko na taksu gaba ni ko na Shira gaba ni Washington Shanga, Dai taksu gaba ni ko na Ongbrue, Umpong Amusha, Shira ni mo street nga jongre. Bai na ndai School of Arts and Science ko Humanity Institute ngwe, Upong gaba na jong na ngai mo re ngai.
My name is Room. My family name is Tabang. I come from Lysol. I'm studying in the social science program.
My name is Paizo Maire. My young Ominda ya. Timam jot today really young Adona Sawanan day. Vision go. Beka Pajiwa Pajato Jamanai. I go PMP and day. Post matriculation program that Pajato. Yeah. They go. Ko mai kan mungkan school na sra ba ni aji je professor ba ni sare na chane na seminar thok ni be sumra lu da lam jo ane aji sumra khumai be shinla de khumai ko.
Hi, my name is Ongsamai Laupore. I'm a student from Post Matriculation Program, School of Arts and Science, Humanity Institute. I learned so many things from this course, this program.
Ngày nay khá nhiều có mình sang trang hàng mãi. Ngày có ya SAS trong có program manager đi về cùng thầy nào vậy. Đại trong có English thế cả phát triển nhiều khung khá về international mong cả mà đang na suy ở trên nhà ngài trong đấy.
Hello, my name is Stepphanie Twiggs, and I'm a faculty member at the School of Arts and Sciences. With Humanity Institute's new Diploma of Liberal Arts, I will be teaching several elective courses within the Fine Arts specialization, including film studies, performance and time-based media, Introduction to Two-Dimensional Arts, and I will be co-teaching a course in Curatorial Studies and Art Business with Mr. Ryan Libre. In the new Great Hall, we will be occupying the art studio, which is the entire second floor of the Great Hall, and we will have many activities such as regular film screenings every week, painting, drawing, photography, and sculpture. The film club also meets every Friday, and everyone is welcome to join us for the film club, this summer for the summer school, or next term for the new Diploma of Liberal Arts and Sciences. I hope to see you there.
Mungdan ngay mi ko kapay ta, miusha ngay mi rajak namatu ta, ha jigo akyaktik rengo pe, nuwa punaw ni mumikut nga nguchido rena say. Natemren nday jong rajak luba wanamtu, nday jong ko na she ramani lolo pe, asam ningja shrak yalu namtu, nuwa punaw ni yongmo araw siya siyang lamga muna so shikam yung ngay lo.